Hello! Let's make this the best warm-up ever, okay? Repeat after me, loud and proud. A apple a. D d. E ed e. I itch I. O octopus ah. Sh ship sh. Th thumb ck sock k. Ch chin ch. And we're back to the beginning. Nice job. Let's check out some of our standard cards now. Here we go. Ch ch. Qu qu. X x. Th w w. Y y. Nice job, my friends. And the last part of our warm-up for today is going to be our trick words. Beat the teacher. Say them before me. You got this. Here we go. The, and, is, his, of, as, has, to, into, we, he, she, be, me, for, or. How did you do? Did you beat me on many words? Well, good for you. I'm very happy to hear that. Okay. So, maybe last week it was that we read a story called Codfish. Do you remember that story? Okay, well, we're going to read it again today, and we're going to work on a few things. Here's our story. As I read it, I want you to read with me. This is called choral reading. We're all going to read together out loud. Then we're going to try to make a movie. And as I say each line, you're going to try to tell me what you picture in your head. Okay, so get ready, read with me. Here we go. Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed, the cat. Jack sat on a rock with his net. Jed sat on a log. Jack had the luck. He was quick with the net. He got the codfish. Jed had a dish of fish. Yum! Nice reading, everybody. So, what I want us to do is something called visualizing. There's no pictures on this page, so good readers make movies in their head, make pictures in their head of what's happening. So, what do you see happening in that first part? Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed, the cat. What do you see? Well, I see Jack, and I doesn't tell us how old he is, but I see him as like a little boy, and I see him holding a net, and I see him next to his cat. And in my head, the cat's like an orangey cat with green eyes, but maybe you're picturing a different color cat. And since it doesn't tell us, that's okay. How about this next part? What are you picturing? What's the movie in your head? Jack sat on a rock with his net. Tell me what you see. Jed sat on a log. What do you see now? Is it a long log, a short one? And the cat sitting on top of it? Is he stretched out or sitting up like this? Jack had the luck. I'm picturing him getting all excited and jumping up and down because he caught one. He was quick with the net. Why don't you pretend to be Jack? Be quick. Scoop up that fish. He got the codfish. What are you picturing there? What does the codfish look like for you? And maybe you're not too sure. Why don't we try to help you with that? I'm going to go to Google and type in cod fish. I'm going to go to images. Okay, so this is what a codfish would look like in the water, and this is what it might look like when you cook it up. So maybe you were picturing a codfish like this, but maybe you didn't know exactly what it looked like, and you were picturing a different kind of fish. Two more sentences. Jed had a dish of fish. How are you picturing that looking? Yum. Okay, nice job with that, my friends. So whenever you're reading or having someone read to you, you really want to work on visualizing, or we call it making a movie in our heads. And now I have a new word of the day to do with you. Watch as I build. Let's make this screen a little bigger. Voila. Okay. So the new word of the day is right here. Check it out. Can you read it to me? Quick. 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 What does it mean to be quick? Yeah, really fast. Are you quick? You could be quick like at running, or you could have a quick mind. It means you think of answers quickly. Okay. Do you notice I already marked this word? We have a buddy letter. Oops, that shouldn't be there. That was there from my old word. No, no, no. We only have one digraph, CK, and it's a short I. It says I, so I have my brev marking the I. Who can think of a good sentence for quick so we can add this to our student notebook? Oh, that rhymes. Rick is quick. Okay, we can do that. I'll write it. You know what? I'll write it on my whiteboard. And you're going to want to get your student notebook so we can enter the word of the day and the sentence. I'm going to start with an uppercase. Rick is quick. Rick is quick. Let me scoop it. Rick is quick. Say it with me. Rick is quick. And I think you guys are probably experts by now to know that word of the day goes in the vocabulary part. So we know this word starts with Q. We need to find Q. It's on page 54 in my book. And on this line, we're going to write quick, and then we'll write our sentence. Rick is quick. Why don't you pause the screen right here so you can get the word down and mark it and get the sentence down in your notebook too. And come on back when you're done. Okay, if you're back, that means you must have finished the word of the day. What did we say this word is? Quick. Let's see how many words we can think of that rhyme with quick. Go ahead, shout them out at me. Good job. Here's some that I thought of. Quick, stick, lick, nick, pick. That might be all I've got. Did you come up with any others? I could come up with nonsense words, but those were all real. Okay, so if you were in school today, if you're someone who's going into school, then it would be a test day. So that means when you get back to school, your teacher's going to have you taking a test on the things we learned this unit, which was digraphs and some new trick words. So you need to make sure that you understand and you know the sounds of all the digraphs and you're able to write words like we practiced with them. And the other thing you're going to need to do is write 2 sentences, all the stuff we've been practicing. So remember, tests are a great opportunity to show your teacher what you know and what you still need help on. If you're at home doing this learning, then your teacher might have you do a test on the internet with them, which is pretty cool. So either way, I want you to spend the rest of the time today before your test, um, unless your teacher's waiting for you to go take the test, practicing the things that you think you need more work on. So I'm going to show you the trick words that we've learned for this unit. These are all the trick words you need to know how to spell. They're all in your student notebook, and on test days, you're allowed to look in that notebook. It's there for you. But if you don't know any of these easily to read or to write, I would suggest that right now you pause the screen and you read one, and then you don't look at the screen, you try to write it, and then you look back up at the screen. That could be a little activity to help you prepare. Or you could get your Velcro board and just practice making words and reading them. So that's all that we're going to do together now, and you can use a little bit of this time until your next school activity to practice what you think you need practice on. See you next time.